Welcome back, guys. We'll be doing a unboxing slash reviewing of a product. It's by tribotex. Things like that. My edge is still in there, so I gotta cover it up. But yeah. It's basically, there's their brand right there. So it's basically, whoa. There's a sticker. So it's basically like a reverse wear thing. It's for diesel engines. Warm up your engine, then shut it off, locate the engine oil, blah, blah, blah. Okay, we got all that. Whoa. Okay, we're going to go put this in the Ford, which is parked right outside the shop. And we're going to meet you guys over there. I'll pause so you don't have to see that transition. Okay, right here at the Ford. Got a nice oil leak on it. Dipstick. Nice, and she's definitely due for an oil change, that's for sure. So basically take that off like that, and I guess pump it into that little tube. Should have put it in the fill port and fill the oil. I'm seeing a leak. Oil filter's loose. So I tightened it up and hopefully it stops leaking. I think it gets loose. Yeah. I have no idea where. It looks like here. Where the heck is that stuff? I don't know. I have to ask my local New Holland dealer because I don't see it unless it's hidden somewhere, unless it's on top. One thing I think it might be, but I don't know. But there's tribotex review. I'm gonna run it around for a while and update you guys on this in a couple weeks of how it's doing. So it says it's supposed to be reverse engine wear or something like that. So we're gonna see. So please subscribe, like, comment, share the video, and catch you on the next one. Thanks.